Unpacking. Rubik's Speed. Rubik's 2.0. Way long. 4x4. Pretty much done Pyraminx. Ordered stickers for that. It never came. 3x3x9. That's broken. A lot of broken cubes are unfunctional cubes. Should take better care. 3D printed Zanchi I made. And I tried to mod it, but it did not work out. Windmill, which I haven't solved. The gear shift. There we go. My main. This is going to be specially packaged, I think, for this occasion. Okay, I'm back. 5x5. 3x3. It's like a Mario picture cube. This is okay. Two more pieces. Two. Okay. My 1x1. My knockoff brand timer. Probably gonna break some more when I put it in this bag. There we go. Just kind of get in there. Yeah. Okay. Right in between my clothes. Now look how safe my laptop.